I was going to YouTube. Happy Monday to you. Today is Monday the 13th. I'm going to do a quick tutorial video. If you are in an International, Peterbilt, or Kenworth, I think they all have the same factory radio. Let me show you the factory. So it's this radio here. So I'm in a loaner truck because they got to do some service to my truck. But I'm trying to connect my phone, my Bluetooth, to this radio. So I'm gonna show you how to do it. Okay, let's flip. So you see this green button here? So you're gonna hold that green button, and then you see it says Navstar Radio. And then you got the little Bluetooth icon going right there. So we wanna push that. Now let me go back. I'm messing up. Okay. Let me see, stop that. So we're gonna push that. See, it says Navstar Radio, okay? You got the little Bluetooth icon going. So now what you wanna do is, hold on, I'm gonna have to do my screen sharing, hold on. Okay, so what you wanna do is, after you see the Navstar on the radio with the Bluetooth, you want to turn your Bluetooth on your phone on. As you can see the screen here, I have up, this is my Bluetooth and it's scanning, and down here at the bottom you can see it says Navstar Radio. So I'm going to click on that, and then it'll start pairing. And so it says pair, so we want to pair. Okay, so on the thing it says press the knob to pair. So we're going to, oh damn, jeez Louise, I think I might have waited too long, folks. Hold on. So we're going to press that again. No, we don't want to go to auto store. Okay, I'm going to have to edit this video heavily. Okay, so Navstar Radio, right? Let me see, let me go back. I'm going to go back to this screen. So I want to pair it. I'm gonna click pair on my phone, and then you want to press the knob to pair it. So I'm not going to allow any of this stuff, so I'm gonna deny that. But as you can see up here, I am now paired with the radio. So I just want audio, because you know I take my calls through my headset, so I'm gonna turn off calls. I'm gonna just leave on audio, and boom. Okay, so going back here, so if we go to media, it says BT audio, so I'm connected. So that's how you connect. Hold on, let me turn this down so YouTube don't copyright my video. But that is a quick tutorial. How you pair your factory radio in your semi. I guess International, like I said, Peterbilt. I don't know about Max, but Kenworth, I've pretty much seen the same type of radio in all of them. So this is the radio again, right here. Now, I will say in the older model trucks, it's a little bit different. So in my truck, to do it, it's a little bit different. You know, the button is not here. You're gonna hit it up through here, through the media button. But I might do another video on my truck, you know, just in case if anybody got the older radio and you don't know how to pair your Bluetooth to the radio. But yeah, but that's it. Simple, pretty straightforward. All right, folks, peace out.